This is right. I have simple makeup. You like it? Sorry, you see it. First of all, my eyes. My eyes have shade and kajal. Shade color is orange and pink. Shade is pink, but color is orange. Yes, and I have kajal. You'll see it. And I have lipstick also. You'll see it. Now, you try it because this is a very precious makeup. Light makeup. Yes, light makeup. You please try it.